Araknis, create OpenVPN tunnel. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a VPN tunnel on an Araknis router. We'll explain in detail. 1. Creating the Dynamic DNS. 2. Creating the OpenVPN tunnel. 3. Profile export. 4. Importing the profile into OpenVPN. Connect to your router. Click on Settings, then DDNS. Activate DDNS on the required WAN port. Enter a DNS name and confirm. After a few seconds, you'll get a DDNS successfully updated message and your IP address will be displayed. Go to Advanced on the left. Select VPN. Click on Add New Tunnel. Enter the name of this connection and the user's email address, then apply. Click on the previously created tunnel. Select Export Client Config. The configuration file has now been exported. Open the OpenVPN Connect software. Import the previously exported configuration file. Enter a name that will allow you to recognize this VPN access. Click Connect to save and test the connection.